Today we'll craft a custom keepsake hand sculpture with the Tavolooza plaster hand casting kit. This kit contains all essential tools and materials for hand casting. Check all parts are complete right after opening the box. We've also included 50-gram sample packs of alginate and plaster powder, so you can try a small test batch first and feel more confident before creating your final cast. Before you start, wash and fully dry your hands, and take off rings, watches, and bracelets. Then apply hand cream evenly across your hands, especially between fingers and around nail beds for easy later demolding. Pour water first and then add the step 1 alginate molding powder. For our included 450-gram molding powder, prepare 1,800 milliliters clean water between 20-25. Stir rapidly for 6,090 seconds until the mixture turns smooth with no obvious lumps. Slowly lower your hand into the mixture and get your preferred pose ready. Make sure your whole hand is fully covered, but avoid touching the bucket's bottom or inner walls. Stay completely still for 3–10 minutes. Wait for the compound change from purple to blue and form an elastic mold. Once the mold sets, wiggle your fingers gently and pull your hand out slowly. Get a separate container for mixing the plaster. Mix step 2 plaster powder and water at a 2:1 weight to volume ratio. We supply 1,000 grams plaster powder, so you need to add 500 milliliters of water. Stir slowly for 1–2 minutes to get lump-free smooth plaster slurry. Don't stir too fast, or excessive air bubbles will form. Pour the plaster mixture into your alginate mold gradually. First pour in half of the plaster. Shake and rotate the bucket gently so plaster fills fingers and detailed areas thoroughly. Then pour in the remaining plaster and tap the bucket while 2 to 3 times to release trapped air bubbles. Leave the mold undisturbed at room temperature for 45–75 minutes until the plaster fully hardens. Put on gloves before touching up the details. After the plaster cures completely, peel away the mold starting from edges with the included demolding stick. Flip the finished hand cast out and cut leftover mold material with the plastic knife gently to prevent damage to fingers and delicate details. Once demolded, trim the bottom edge with provided tools. Refine tiny features with wooden sticks and pins. Then sand rough spots lightly with sandpaper for a sleek and refined final look. Rinse the hand cast with clean water after touch-ups. If you want to paint it, wait roughly 24 hours until the hand cast is fully dried out. Decorate it with paints included in this kit and display it on the wooden base. Your one-of-a-kind hand cast memento is now finished. It works wonderfully for couples, family members, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, and all precious moments. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the process and create a beautiful hand cast keepsake to treasure for years to come.